Hi, in the last video we learned how to add a cursor to a section of our website. In this video we're going to learn how to create hover cursors. So let's go to our website, click to add a new cursor, select your cursor, do the options and go to hover options. In hover option, click on the create hover cursor button. So the first option is enable on. This is where you want to enable your hover cursor. For example, I want a hover cursor that will appear on links and buttons. The second option is the hover type. There are three different hover types: default, snap, and available. The first option is default. Default is a default hover effect for your cursor. Let's choose the default and hit the save button. Click next, enable the cursor on the entire website and click save cursor. Once our cursor is saved, go to the front of our website and refresh the page. As you can see, the cursor is added, and when I hover the links, you can see that a default hover effect is applied on the links. The same effect is applied on the buttons too. Now let's go and check the second option. Let's remove the added hover cursor and add a new hover cursor. This time select snap. Okay, refresh the page and hover over the links, and as you can see, our cursor is snapped to the link. The same effect does for the buttons. Okay, now let's edit our cursor. Go to our hover cursor, remove the previous hover cursor, add a new hover cursor, and this time select available. When you click on available, you see a list of options you can choose from. For example, I want this cursor to appear when I hover the links. Click save, click next, and update the cursor. Now refresh the page and hover the links. As you can see, when I hover the links, the hover cursor appears. Okay, now let's try to change the styles for this hover cursor. I want this but in another color. For example, in green color, and I will make the size a bit smaller. As you can see, our hover cursor is updated. One last option you can set in hover cursor is the upload icon option. If you select the first cursor on the list, you have the option for the text and icon. For example, change the text to view project and change the icon. Click on the icon and from upload, click select file, upload your own icon and click select icon. Hit the save button and click next. Refresh the page, and this time our own icon and our text appears when we hover the links.